that was an absolutely amazing set of days for me and Chandru for sure. And I really want to thank all of you, because I think it's all of you who have just made this so interesting, insightful, and actually quite exciting to listen to. When we thought, first of all, we have to thank Open Society Foundation, because this conference is part of a project that we are doing for Open Society Foundation with the same title as the conference. But when we thought of this conference, we honestly, we wanted to bring together people from different parts of the world, but we honestly hadn't expected that it would work out quite this way. And we are really delighted that all of you have spared the time, that you've been able to come, that you've been able to participate so actively, that you've been so engaged throughout. It's been really very, very wonderful for us. Of course, this is clearly, all of this happening here in Perry is because of Perry and because of the great institution that Bob Pollin and Jerry Epstein have created here. And we're really very grateful that we've been able to participate in some of that, in the fruits of all of that labor over decades that has enabled this wonderful institution to exist. And we have many other thanks to give. All of you have been in touch with Nicole Dunham, who has been tirelessly working to actually make this conference a success and handling all kinds of issues from planning your travel and helping out with all kinds of different logistics and arranging for different dietary needs at different points and people's particular requirements for their luggage and all kinds of things. She's been very efficient and very hardworking in terms of doing all this, and of course troubleshooting as the need arises, and also dealing with the catering aspects and so on. We're really happy to have had Lindsay here, who's been so, you've seen how energetic she is and what a cheerful presence she is in this, so that's also been great. In doing a lot of the other work before the conference, we really couldn't have done it without Siobhan and Adrina, who've also been helping us with the project itself, and as you can see, we've also been working on issues related to the project and are producing good research for the project. So we're really very delighted to have them. Thank you both, Dans. We're hearing from people outside that it's really, it's coming out well, that people are getting to see and hear the conference in a way that is really important for those who couldn't make it to the actual event. And there are many of our colleagues who have been able to participate in it at different times online as well. But honestly, really, finally, the thanks is to all of you. This has been I think it's been a great conference, but I think it's been a great conference because of all of you. And so I kind of knew it was going to be good because of all of you accepting, but I really didn't think it was going to be this good. So thank you all so much from all of us. Oh, sorry, and I have to thank Ideas, and also Charles Abougley sitting there in the back, hiding as usual, because many of the people who have come from outside have really only been able to come because of Ideas. And I think this cross-fertilization is something we all really need. So I'm very happy that that is happening as well. Thanks. And that's it, I guess.